Hi everyone, are you looking automotive scan tool for DIY? This video is made to help you find the best automotive scan tool for DIY. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price and more. Links all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. If you want to see stay update latest technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, FOXWELL, model number, NT614 Elite. The FOXWELL NT614 Elite OBD2 automotive diagnostic scanner squeezes a large screen into a small and easy to hold horizontal case. With 4.3-inch large TFT color screen and portable protective carrying case for long-term use. The NT614 Elite was able to show live diagnostic data, such as my car's engine speed and graph it on screen. With the fantastic AutoVIN function, this NT614 Elite car scanner can get your VIN and vehicle info rapidly. No need to spend much time in finding your VIN and input it one by one. The FOXWELL NT614 Elite OBD2 scanner can do the EPB and oil service reset. For multi-car makes, save your time and money. This FOXWELL scan tool read and erase fault codes and graph live data when more complicated car problems has been occurred. It's a must-have tool for your garage. This check engine code reader with reset is an excellent option for your father, husband, brother or boyfriend if they enjoy auto repair. This scan tool is more effective and efficient than its predecessors. Number 4. Brand name, MUCAR, model number, CS4. The scan tool shows you live sensors data and provides data graphing for intuitive diagnostics and monitoring your vehicle performance, help customers to better analyze the abnormal parameter. MUCAR CS4 products are a new generation of mid to high-end DIY products based on Android system. This scan tool for all vehicles can automatically identify the vehicle and perform a quick scan, which allows you to quickly match the right updated software that will enhance the diagnostic capabilities and resolve compatibility issues. Automatically identify the vehicle, quickly match the proper software that will enhance the diagnostic capabilities and resolve compatibility issues. One-touch update online by connecting the CS4 to the internet via Wi-Fi. CS4 scan tool provides 5 most commonly used maintenance functions including oil reset, EPB brake reset, steering angle calibration, TPMS reset, and throttle body adaptation to maintain the safety of your car system efficiently. Effectively reset the modules related in seconds after repair. With the DTC lookup feature, the definitions of fault codes will be shown on this scan tool, which will save your time and energy to check it online. You can also search online for more information via the bulletin Google Chrome. Number 3. Brand name, ANCEL, model number, V5BT. The bidirectional scanner significantly reduces mechanics diagnosis time and makes it easy to operate. It's an ideal choice for car workshops or garages. Its Android operating system and 7-inch HD touchscreen provide a seamless user experience, while the 5000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures. The bidirectional scanner significantly reduces mechanics diagnosis time and makes it easy to operate. It's an ideal choice for car workshops or garages. ANCEL V5BT car computer diagnostic tool offers a wide range of reset services, including ABS bleeding, battery registration, DPF regeneration, EPB resets, injector coding, oil resets, TPMS resets, throttle adaptation, SAS calibration, at setting etc. ANCEL Professional Auto Scanner Diagnostic automatically detects your vehicle's information and initiates a comprehensive scan. This time-saving feature eliminates the hassle of manual input, enabling you to get accurate results quickly. V5BT bidirectional scanner can displays real-time data on oil temperature, pressure, transmission temperature, engine speed and coolant temperature. With 4-in-1 text and graphics data stream display and detailed diagnostic reports, you will get a better understand which vehicle components are abnormal. Number 2. Brand name, Topdon, model number, RDiag 900BT. The ARDIDIAG 900BT is equipped with advanced ECU coding capabilities that allows you to unlock hidden functions and disable unnecessary features with ease. This wireless bidirectional tool can send commands and receive information to perform specific tests and functions such as window, mirror, door lock tests and throttle adjustments to help you locate problems quickly. And our personalized concealed VIC interface storage design allows for easier storage, 3 LED indicators to quickly show you the status of your connection. With 28 advanced service functions at your disposal, rest assured that you are equipped to make a car roadworthy. Use functions like oil resets, SAS resets, brake resets, ABS bleeding, and DPF. The ARDIDIAG 900BT scanner also supports more special functions for various car brands. With its 7-inch screen, it always displays clear diagnostic results. For more special functions, refer to the special function menu in a specific system. Number 1. Brand name, MUCAR, model number, CDE 900 Pro. The CDE 900 Pro car scanner is priced competitively and builds a good hardware base. CDE 900 Pro scan tool has a wide vehicle coverage and is compatible with 95% of all car models from the US, Europe and Asia. The MUCAR CDE 900 Pro OBD2 scanner can read and clear codes. It can also access a large amount of information from multiple vehicle systems. Automatically identify the vehicle and match the proper diagnostic software to run fast and precise car diagnostics. A larger 5-inch touchscreen and the 16-pin plug can be unplugged at any time, 3150 mAh battery and add-on functions for upgrades in many ways. This scanner allows you to see the load value, time advances, airflow rate, pressure intake and oxygen sensor voltages among other things.